A design that creates the perfect harmony between nature and architecture. Elegant, timeless, dignified. iDesign Studio Factory. iDesign Studio is a centralized team committed to achieving the highest level of designs with turnkey approach. Through our services offered worldwide, we strive to deliver inspirational designs which fulfill our clients' expectations. The design group combines extraordinary talent, global experiences with friendly customer collaboration. That makes it a fun and enjoyable journey of transforming magical imaginations into cutting-edge or timeless designs. iDesign Factory is where these designs are converted to real products. Our products are given the highest level of attention by our factory experts and makeover to the finest detail. All our factories use state-of-the-art tech and machinery with highly experienced and qualified chartered engineers while creating handmade masterpieces by the most well-recognized craftsmen in the island nation. Honoring our commitment, our growing brand continues to establish solid international footprints in various parts of the world. Together we are a highly skilled team of designers, manufacturers, installers, engineers and tradespeople. From start to finish, we ensure that every element of the process is carried out within all international standards, regardless of budget, while providing regulatory, detailed submissions. Our customers' exceptional satisfaction is simply our commitment. iDesign Studio Factory, bringing magical spaces to life.